Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here today with another updated, well not another update, another entry for the ICAD 30-day challenge. And ICAD, I-C-A-D, stands for Index Card a Day, which means that you just make take an index card, either 3x5 or 4x6. I'll be working with 4x6, and you create work of art, whatever you want to do on that index card every single day for at least 30 days. Sometimes they do it for 2 months straight. We've chosen to do it for 30 days. We've also chosen to use prompts. So we have a prompt that we need to follow and incorporate somewhere in the project. So today the word is glasses. So I have to put glasses in there. So what I did was I used this die with the glasses, and I cut it out 3 times each and glued them together just to give it a little bit dimension. And I'm going to just use a little bit of this red folk art metallic, and it is red, bright red, and I'm just going to smear it on my finger, and then I'm going to dry it, and then I just want a little background noise. Kind of looks pink, but I don't really want to design. I just want a little messy mess. Probably actually more probably than I actually want it, but anyway. And then what I'm going to do is I am going to glue down my glasses, and then some words, and then we'll be good to go. I'm going to take a little bit off. Just one hint. I am going to try this with my hand. That would be interesting. I'll be right back. I'm going to dry this. Alrighty, ready. I am back, and I dried that real quick. Kept it simple. I was going to put some splatters and stuff on it, but I'm going to leave it like it is. And I'm going to put down my sentiments. Hopefully you have been inspired some way to try to play along. You can also check out Miss Little Scrappy, her channel. Like and subscribe and tell her I sent you. But she's also showing her projects as well. The other ladies on Instagram. Some of my friends, some of the group is not even on Instagram. But anyway. Just a chance to make you, it's a challenge for real. We give each other hard challenges. We don't give each other easy challenges. It's a commitment to even stay, that's crooked. To stay on this for a whole month. And I'm going to come on. Yeah. But I didn't glue it. Alright, looks off center. Push it over again. But yeah. So anyway, index card a day. It was a way for artists to challenge themselves, to draw every single day, to create. And so, it's just a way to make sure that you stay in your craft room. The prompts help you if you can't think of what to do when you're stuck. Like, I want to create something, but I don't know what to do. So it's just a little way to keep you going, keep you motivated. And it's a nice little collection like your ATC cards. It's like you can go to a little stash of your little miniature works of art. So that's why I look at it. It's like my little, versions of being creative, however you want to describe it. But I think it's fun. I'll tell you, I grew, we come up with some stuff. We come up with some challenges. But it's fun. Makes us think. It makes us the crafters. I think helps me also with time management, because when we do something when we're on, we try not to finish it. Well, it's not like it's mandated, but we try to finish it before we get off of Zoom. That makes you move a little bit faster than probably be sitting home. I know for me, like I was sitting at home watching, YouTube in between crafting or going slow. Alright, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to add some glossy accents, and then I'm going to let it dry a little bit, and I will come back. I think I might trace around a little bit around these words, and then I will be right back. Okay, so I am back with the final projects. What I did was just outline the black around the side. I glossy accented the glasses on the frames, not on the inside. But anyway, and that is my final ICAD. So again, hashtag ICAD, hashtag Step by Step ICAD Challenge. If you want to play along, and that's the prompt today is glasses. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.